lockdown enforcement police. As an anticipation of the spread of the coronavirus COVID-19, development of corona cases in Indonesia. Today, the Indonesian government continues to make effort to minimize people infected with corona COVID-19. Initially, the government did not really want to provide information to the public regarding the coronavirus entering Indonesia. This was done to avoid public panic and also to avoid unclear issues. Thursday, March 19, 2000, from the Detik News, the government spokesperson for the handling of the coronavirus, Ahmad Yuryanto, said that the government is trying to carry out a mass test of coronavirus, and it is necessary to carry out a PCR test. Yuryanto also said officially information on the development of the COVID-19 case that until as of Thursday, March 19, 2020, research conducted by WHO by bringing together a coronavirus expert in the world still has not obtained an agreement that can be used as a world standard regarding definitive treatment specimens against COVID-19. Regarding the development of the coronavirus, the government finally made a policy as the first step, namely in the form of social distancing recommendation. This means that government is fully aware that the transmission of COVID-19 is it the form of droplets of tiny mucus places from the walls of the respiratory tract of a person who is sick, which come out when coughing and sneezing. Therefore, the government advises anyone who coughs and who suffers from influenza to wear a mask. The aim is to limit the droplets placed from the person concerned. In addition to adjusting the distance between people so that the chance of contracting the disease can be lower. The implication is that meetings of a large number and which allow overcrowding of people should be avoided. Therefore, it is very important to release together from all components of society, not to carry out activities that mobilize many people in one place that is not too large and cause crowd. This is considered to be one of the most effective measures to reduce the spread of the virus. Therefore, social distancing must be implemented both in everyday life, in the work environment, or in the household environment. Besides, continue to take precautions through effort to live a clean and healthy lifestyle by always washing hands with soap and running water. At present, the number of people affected by corona is increasing, and the number of deaths caused by corona around the world is also increasing. Information related to the correctness of this number also needs to be of course concern, because there are still rumors that are still confusing or hoax, causing unrest in the community. In order to avoid confusing news regarding the transmission of the coronavirus, the government has prepared online access that can be seen by the public through its official website at corona.go.id. From this site, you can see COVID-19 monitoring data.
The lockdown as an Alternative police in Indonesia. The lockdown activity is the policy of the Governor of DKI Jakarta based on number 5, connecting the temporary elimination of worship and regular activity in house of worship in the context of preventing the spread of the coronavirus disease COVID-19 outbreak. Gathering crowd which are held in most churches, temples and other places of worship include Friday prayer, service worship in Sunday Mass, Majelis Taklim, holiday celebration and other. This call is valid for 14 days from stipulation and can be exceeded if need. In addition, awareness is given to increase awareness and discipline to prevent the risk of COVID-19 by maintaining a safe distance. In addition, the Jakarta Region Governor also social the official website the first action carried out by the DKI Jakarta Region Government. In this case, Government Anies Baswedan is based on the action of a legal instrument that he has the region had to issue police in the or can they step for solving the problem at hand. Police setting is an important factor for an organization to achieve its objective. This policy is followed and implemented by stakeholders in the framework solve a problem. Policy is a social practice. It is not a single or isolated event. Thus, a policy in something that is produced by the government which is formulated based on all events that are in society. The in can grow in the fabric of social life and is not a event is described as what is clear defined by the policymaker. Government will have a patriarchal impact so as the detailed specification of the program how and where the institution or organization on the program and how the law or program interpret apart from the election of Rasul. Quarantine is limited on the activities or part of a personal way is exposed to an infection. Disease as situated in statutory regulation, even though he has not so and stopping or in the include prohibited or the separation of connecting transportation means or and good suspect to be quarantined from people of good. Respect the dignity, human right, the basic of individual freedom. quantity from people of good. Respect the dignity, human right, the basic of individual freedom, and their universal appetit. International Hela Regariaton IHR requires Indonesia to increase its capacity and capability in health surveillance and response, as well as health quarantine in region and intergates, both port, airport, and national border ports.
C. Positive and negative impact of the lockdown policy. According to Edward 3, policy implementation can be interpreted as part of the stage of the policy process. This position is between the stage of policy formulation and the consequence caused by the policy outcome. Furthermore, Edward 3 identifies aspects that are strongly suspected of contribution to policy implementation, namely communication, research, disposition, or attitude of executor, and bureaucratic structure. These four aspects influence policy implementation either directly or indirectly, and each aspect influence other aspect. The government effort to anticipate the development of the coronavirus are currently worrying the public. Not only worried about contracting the coronavirus, but local government policies that impose lockdown for several areas. Because, of course, it will be difficult for the community to carry out activities and mobility. Even though this is a big risk, it must be done to stop the spread of the coronavirus. Lockdown is actually an extension of social distancing, which includes certain territories and territories. Even area or region has experienced a lockdown, it means closing the entrance and exit for community members. Not surprisingly, in several reports, the lockdown policy has been taken into consideration by several local officials. The consideration is based on the red lines of the budget on the consideration is based on the red lines on the budget and the social impact that arise. It is of course difficult to implement a lockdown policy for a world social community today because humans never stop their mobility and moving activities from one place to another place. Therefore, the successful implementation of this policy requires the involvement of stakeholders in a democratic and participatory manner. Stakeholders and policy makers must continuously engage in the dialogue to analyze the consequence of implementing the policy. Evaluation of policy implementation needs to be done to see accountability and increase the performance of a public policy. Hamad Women model outline there are three main types of policy implementation evaluation, namely ex ante evaluation, ongoing evaluation, and ex post evaluation. Talking about policy, of course, there will be positive and negative impact that arise due to this coronavirus outbreak. Of course, there's this positive and negative impact cannot be separated from the social and economic aspect. The negative impact that can be felt for the first time due to the coronavirus outbreak is a decline in economic growth. However, if the lockdown is not immediately enforced, the virus will continue to enter areas that have talking about policy, of course, there will be positive and negative impact that arise due to this coronavirus outbreak. Of course, this positive and negative impact can be separated from the social and economic aspect. The negative impact that can be felt for the first time due to the coronavirus outbreak is a decline in economic growth. However, if the lockdown is not immediately enforced, the virus will continue to enter areas that have not been infected before and will worsen an area that is already infected. If there is no preparation, this lockdown effort will also not work well. Why can this coronavirus have a negative impact on the country economies, especially Indonesia? Because the Indonesian state has a various sector that affect the nation economy. If there is no good economic activity, economic indicator will experience a negative impact due to a significant slowdown. Then the result is that many foreign investors sell shares, so the composite stock price index will automatically decrease. Indonesia is the vulnerable to global financial market panic. Especially, this is where the impact of the corona will be felt directly on the aspect of the country economic, which of course cannot be taken lightly. The basis of the Indonesian state does indeed state that the economic system being conceptualized is people economy, an economy controlled by the people. But in fact, the current economy activity reflect the capitalist economic system. So, it can be said that economic dualism sector. Economic dualism refers to J.H. Bulk described two very different situations in a society that lives side by side. The first state is superior while the other is inferior, such as the existence of a modern way of production side by side with the traditional model of production between the rich and the poor, educate and other conditions that were contrasting in one time and place. In the socialist economic system, the government plays a very important role in determining the course of the economy, or commonly known as centralized planning, so that individual property right and economy initiative do not get a proper place. An estimate 25% of world trade takes place in the global company or intra-company trade. The same portion also occurs between developed countries that are members. Only a fraction of this world trade the developing countries can enjoy. The things that the same is true of financial liberation controlled by international financial institutions and commanded by economic superpower and owner of capital in the world money market. The government can take decisive action to determine the exchange rate system. So far, the holder of the monetary authority have implemented a free exchange rate system. At one time, such a system might have been profitable because it allowed a macroeconomic system to enter global financial market. But the system is very risky for a small country and is vulnerable to socio-political change in the country. Fixed exchange rates can be applied when the vulnerable external conditions have been overcome by the floating exchange rate system. The extent to which the system can be enforced depends on internal and external economic development. monetary authorities need to be afraid to make decisions in a crisis situation. The problem is not with the superiority of the system, but with the accuracy of the system under certain conditions. The positive impact of the lockdown policy is that the government can reduce the number of people affected by the COVID-19. Stop. Because reducing outside activity can maintain a high risk of transmission. In addition to the positive impact, it indirectly reduces air pollution, considering that the number of motorists in Indonesia is quite high, especially in the capital DKI Jakarta. Effort made by the government, in addition to lockdown, are also preparing hand sanitizing in several public areas for the public to be used after touching, and always reminding them to wash their hands to avoid the virus entering the body. Apart from the economic and social aspect above, there are criminal aspects that need to be considered due to this corona outbreak, which is often considered trivial because of unclear information. Therefore, the government has also started to curb information related to corona. Anyone who deliberately provides false information or news will be subject to punishment in accordance with the regulation in Indonesia. The positive law in question is the applicable law. This hoax spreader will be subject to criminal code law number 11 of 2008 concerning electronic information and transaction, law number 40 of 2008 concerning the elimination of racial and ethnic discrimination. Thank you for your attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.